Hey everybody, welcome to another unfortunate AutoCAD video. Today's video we have a Warn Rt2500 ATV winch, and I just pulled out all the cable to replace it with synthetic, and it doesn't seem to operate off the controls anymore. Everything is connected, power's on. When you hit the switch on the controller, there is nothing. So the first thing I'm doing is I pulled the leads off the relay, and I'm gonna push in on the controller. Pushing in on the controller is telling me that I have continuity through the wire there. Now let's test this other one. Let's hook up to the black one. So I'm going to press the out now. Out is telling me I have continuity. So I know right now the problem is not in the switch because we have continuity down to these wire slits. Plug them back into the relay. So now we're going to test for voltage. Battery 12.85. So we got power going to the relay, and we have a ground. Now, if I energize this, and if I energize this, so now, why doesn't it work through the switch? Somehow, these lines right here might not be feeding power. So let's recap here. We know the relay works because we can jumper it and it gets power, and we can move the winch in and out on those two terminals. We know we have continuity in that switch. Now, if you guys have been following my channel for a long time, the winch relay is set up the same as an LED light relay that I have installed. Is that in order to go to the switch, it has to transfer power. Just by hitting that switch, if the power wire is disconnected or broken somewhere, the 12 volts is not going to go back down to that relay to activate it in order for it to work. After doing some troubleshooting, I see where my problem is now. I found the problem. A lot of you guys aren't going to like this. There's a lot of hate for these fittings, and this is not a proper way to do it. This is just a quick way to do it, and after 10 years it shit the bed. So let me just turn on the power on the key here. Ignition is on. Now what I'm going to watch for is I got a touch in there, so when I hit in, you're going to see the voltage go up. See that? Same with on the other side. I'm just going to put the power probe underneath, and I'm going to hit out on the switch. So now I need to fix that problem so it doesn't happen again. This is where I'm at. I wrapped the wire around. Gonna heat up the soldering gun here. The old TS100, powered off this power pack, and fix that up. I love this little gun. It heats up so fast. 350 degrees. We're ready to rock and roll. There we are, tape back up, we're good to go. Good to go. Alright, well I'm going to end the video there. That was pretty quick and dirty on fixing the winch. Good thing it was just a simple mistake. Those connectors will always give you trouble. People hate them, but sometimes they're quick and dirty. But that's no excuse from doing it the proper way, which is soldering it. It's soldered up, should never have an issue again. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.